We're going to start with a small puzzle. So the puzzle, there are 9 dots here. Many of you might have seen this puzzle. What you're supposed to, we are going to take 3 minutes for this. With these 9 dots, you are supposed to connect all these 9 dots with 4 straight lines without lifting your hand. Gulpari Baji, you've done an amazing job. Great job, Gulpari Baji. Sadia Baji, I cannot see all the dots connected. You are a great teacher. You are an active teacher. This was not expected from you. I was expecting much better response from you. Okay, Hafsa Baji, I really like the way you have tried different things. I would just like to tell you one thing, that you have put a constraint on yourself, that you have not thought beyond the 9 dots. Yes, the 3 teachers who got a feedback from me, तीनों को अलग अलग feedback मिला है. How did you feel after receiving the feedback? And will the feedback help you do better next time?
What feedback you gave me was, matlab, I had not done properly, but then also you praised me as a teacher, so it was very nice to do. Matlab, like, though I have not done the work properly and correctly, but then also you praised me, so that is a positive sign for us to listen to the feedback.
These are the 2 things that we are going to explore today. I guess Nazia Baji, would you like to read the first sentence? Hafsa Baji, would you like to read the next one?
Practice providing constructive feedback to our students.
What according to you is feedback? You can just unmute yourself and share.
Like opinion of people on something, like if we have conducted a session or something on a new product, it's like the opinion of the people according to me.
Great, thank you very much, Nazia Baji. So basically, as teachers, for us, the feedback that we give to the students is something that revolves around these 3 questions. Why feedback is important? Some responses from the teachers. Feedback helps our students improve. Is there any other purpose for feedback? Why is it important?
It also helps them to know that in which point or in which where they are lacking behind. Particularly, that thing can be given as a feedback.
So thank you for the responses. We're going to watch a short video regarding the importance of feedback.
Research has shown that giving good feedback to students is one of the most powerful ways teachers can improve learning. Feedback allows students to know where and how they can improve. Feedback, monitoring and assessing students' progress towards the goal.
4 criteria for effective feedback. These are the 4 things that we are going to keep in mind while giving feedback to make it effective.
You shared your opinion clearly, and the use of new words was very effective. Non-example list, great job.
You need more practice in the subtraction of numbers with 0 in it. And that is non-example list, you need to work hard.
In question 3, 6 and 8, you have identified the proper nouns incorrectly. You need to revise the concept of proper nouns. And non-example is, you need to revise the concept of proper nouns.
In the division problem with dividend having 0 at end, you forget to bring it down, which leads to incorrect answer. See question number 13 and 18. Practice more division problems with dividend having 0 at end. Non-example, practice more division problems with dividend having 0 at end.
We can tell her that you have solved the problem correctly, which means that you have understood the steps of how to do the problem. And next step can be that you should work in groups and should share your point of views with others also, and should listen to others.
My question would be, जो आप personally बात करोगे, let us say I am Abdul, आप मुझे personally क्या बोलोगे?
I make him understand that everyone should give with each and every student for me is important. मतलब सब मेरे लिए बच्चे एक के हैं और सबको चांस देना चाहिए. And you should share your knowledge. You should not do like this. This behavior is not proper like. और वो पर्सनली बताएंगे तो ही उसको अंडरस्टैंड होगा. सबके सामने बोलेंगे तो उसे थोड़ा और वो बन जाएगा.